everyone and welcome again to How to Bank. Hope you are enjoying our videos. In case you are visiting our channel for first time, we at How to Bank make banking videos so that your banking experience is easy. Please do subscribe our channel and share our Facebook page and like us. My name is Deepak and today we are going to see how to block your ATM card or debit card for ICICI Bank. It can happen that your ATM card is lost or stolen, or there are some unauthorized transactions done on your card. So first thing you should do is immediately block the ATM card or the debit card. To block it, you will need your internet banking user ID and password. To start with, go to ICICIbank.com and log into internet banking. Then on my shortcuts, you can see option of block debit oblique ATM card. Click on that. Select the account, select the debit card. Reason for blocking, whether it is damaged, lost, stolen, if it is swallowed at ICICI Bank or any other bank. So you are if you are trying to withdraw the money and the ATM card was taken inside by ATM machine, you can select this reason. For testing, I am saying it was lost. Then click on submit. Before you click on submit, read this important information. Click on submit. It will show you the details, and if you click on submit again, this is the process to immediately block your debit card if it is stolen, lost, or anything. So all the transactions done after this will be bank's responsibility. You will not be liable. You can note down the reference number shown on the screen for all future references. Hope this video helps you. Do subscribe our channel. Have safe banking always. After you finish your net banking, click on log out. Remember to close all the active sessions. Please take care of your ATM, debit cards, credit cards. Keep your banking information confidential. Thank you for watching our video and have a wonderful day.